Let's look at the first type of question. Say, for example, I'm given the velocity of a particle, and they'll give it to you as some kind of expression or function, so 3t squared minus 5. They'll also give me some other information. It's initially at the origin, and I want to find its displacement after 3 seconds. So there's a lot of information there. Let's just break it down first. I know that v is equal to 3t squared minus 5. And what am I looking for in this question?
The displacement.
Yes. Now, it does ask for after 3 seconds, but before I even do that, right, I actually need to find that function that I'm going to substitute t equals to 3 into. So let's find that first. I know that the displacement is equal to, from my formula over there, the integral of v dt. And I can calculate that really easily, right? That's just going to be t cubed minus 5t.
Plus c.
Good, right? Plus c. Okay. Why is it important that I do that? Because if you think about it, right? If I wanted to find its displacement after 3 seconds, I know that substituting when t
c will be 3 seconds.
Yeah. So slow down. So let's just look at this first. If I substitute at this point t is equal to 3 here, I realize, hang on, I'm going to get like c is equal to something with an x there. That's not really a number, right? I'm looking for its displacement after 3 seconds. I can't just have a c there. That's actually a number. Mitch, what should we do?
You need to make time equals 0, and it says it starts at the origin, so x equals 0.
Okay, that's where this piece of information comes in. Initially at the origin.
Oh, he's good.
Okay, so I remember the origin is not necessarily where I start, but the origin is the place where displacement is equal to 0. You may not start at the origin, but the origin is the place where displacement is equal to 0. So, in order to find what c is actually equal to, what I want to do is I want to say, when t is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. Okay? And then when I do that substitution there, well, obviously I'll get 0 is equal to 0 cubed minus 5 times 0 plus c. And in this case, yeah, it's actually quite nice. C is just equal to 0 there. Okay? Now, let's go back and write my original function now that I know what c is equal to. So x would equal to t cubed minus 5t. And then this is where I want to substitute in my value. So what am I substituting in again?
3.
Yeah, I want to say, at the time when t is equal to 3, what is my displacement going to be? And so all I would write is, you can say like, let t equal to 3. So x would equal to 3 cubed minus 5 times 3. What's this going to be?
12,
27.
So I've got
12.
9, oh sorry, not 9,
It's 12.
27
27
minus 15, that's 12. And I'm working with, they give units? No, so just say 12 units. Now, this hasn't been asked in the question, right? It just says find its displacement, so we've got 12 there. But have a think, right? If I have a positive number, right, which side of the origin am I on? On the right side. Okay. Now, it hasn't explicitly asked for that, and you don't necessarily have to write that when it's asking for its displacement. The displacement is a value with some units on it, right? But there will often be questions that ask you, if it tells you it's on the left side or it's on the right side. You have to be able to understand that language and be able to discern that.